Welcome to the September Power BI Community Spotlight. This month's picks showcase next-level creativity, storytelling, and real-world insight, all built in Power BI. Let's dive straight in. Our first dashboard is Credit Risk Analytics Dashboard by Gusbavia. This one's a next-level dashboard, packed with features yet perfectly easy to navigate. It uses amazing hover interactions to narrate insights and brilliant GIF animations to highlight sections. The color coding, green, yellow, and red, makes risk levels instantly clear. But the real star here is the AI integration. You can ask questions, get summaries, and explore your data like never before. A true benchmark for modern business dashboards. Our next dashboard is UEFA Country Coefficients by ElDynamo. This dashboard turns real football data into storytelling gold. It covers UEFA data from 2000 to 2026, giving in-depth analysis of each country and its clubs. You can even compare neighboring countries head-to-head, with full match results and ranking visuals. Available in both light and dark themes, and built with room for future updates, it's perfect for fans and analysts alike. Our third dashboard is Power BI Template for Inventory Analysis by dataflip. Short but incredibly insightful. This inventory analysis template delivers a complete business overview in seconds. It's clear, focused, and includes something rare, a problem identification and recommendation section. It's practical, well-designed, and ready to use for any business that wants fast, data-driven decisions. Next up is Global Deaths, Dual Language by FernandoCandido, a powerful and educational dashboard available in both Brazilian and English. It explores a massive dataset covering causes of death and population data worldwide. The visuals include two stunning map styles, a flat map and a 3D globe view, offering unique ways to explore mortality data by country. It's an incredible resource for anyone studying global health trends. And finally, we have Cristiano Ronaldo, Road to 1,000 Goals by Barchris8. Short but strong, this dashboard tells Cristiano Ronaldo's story through data. It tracks his yearly and monthly goals, visualized in a clean, focused way. Simple yet powerful, just like Ronaldo's finishing. That's a wrap for today, and thank you for watching. All the dashboard links are in the comments. Subscribe for next month's update. See you in the next Spotlight.